Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Audi A3 faster. We'll cover several effective methods to enhance your car's performance, focusing on practical and impactful upgrades. From optimizing your engine's power output to improving its overall efficiency, these steps can transform your driving experience. You'll learn about tuning, intake upgrades, and weight reduction, all designed to give your Audi A3 a noticeable boost in speed and responsiveness. Let's dive in and get your A3 performing at its best. One of the most effective ways to make your Audi A3 faster is through engine tuning, specifically an ECU remap. This process optimizes your engine's software, potentially adding between 20 and 70 horsepower and significantly boosting torque. More torque means quicker acceleration and a more responsive feel when you press the pedal. It's a popular modification that delivers a substantial performance gain without major hardware changes. Always choose a reputable tuner to ensure your engine remains reliable and performs optimally. Next, let's talk about intake and exhaust upgrades. Installing a cold air intake system allows your engine to breathe more efficiently by drawing in cooler, denser air. This can lead to a modest but noticeable increase of 5 to 14 horsepower. Complementing this, a performance exhaust system reduces restrictive back pressure, allowing exhaust gases to exit more freely. Together, these modifications improve engine efficiency and sound, contributing to a quicker and more engaging driving experience for your Audi A3. Finally, consider weight reduction and handling improvements. Every kilogram removed from your Audi A3 contributes to better acceleration, braking, and cornering. Simple steps like removing unnecessary items from the trunk can make a difference. Upgrading to lighter wheels significantly reduces unsprung weight, which directly impacts how quickly your car can accelerate and stop. Additionally, a sportier suspension setup will enhance your A3's handling, making it feel more planted and responsive, especially during spirited driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.